Welcome to week 31. You are now 31 weeks along, and your baby is now about 3¼ pounds, getting bigger and bigger. It's between 17 and 18 inches long as it continues to grow and get taller and taller. One of the interesting things that we can see at 31 weeks is the baby is actually able to see and track light. So if you want, you could kind of move light around your tummy and see if the baby will move and follow it. Kind of a fun little game. But the baby's eyes definitely are tracking light that it can see through the tummy at 31 weeks. You also may notice sleep-wake cycles about this time, and this is very common. Sometimes it scares people because they're not used to it. But the baby does now start having sleep and wake cycles. It doesn't necessarily mean this is the pattern it's going to have when it's born, so don't worry if it seems to be moving all night long and sleeping during the day. But sleep-wake patterns are normal, so it's okay if there are times of the day where the baby's not moving much and times of the day where the baby's really active. The baby is allowed to sleep. I think that on average babies tend to sleep more during the day, or at least you feel less movement, probably because of the motion of you moving around. And so as we move around and walk during the day, it kind of gives a nice gentle rocking motion to the baby and helps the baby sleep. We certainly see that when the baby's out, when the baby's born and outside, and we all know that we can rock the baby, or sometimes just putting the baby in a car seat and driving around will help the baby fall asleep. It's very common to not feel as much movement during the day, and then when you finally settle down at night and you lay down, all of a sudden the baby starts getting really active and going crazy. It can be a little annoying for you since that's when you want to sleep, but it's a very common pattern. So 31 weeks along, baby's about 3¼ pounds, 17 to 18 inches, sleep, wake cycles are happening, and it's even tracking light.